Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Pink color, chocolate color, purple color, red color, light green color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, next circle, next pentagon, next kids, triangle, next heart, next kids, star, now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon, next purple color, circle, next kids, pink color, pentagon, next chocolate color, triangle, next kids, red color, heart, next orange color, star, what we learned? We learned green color, hexagon, purple color, circle, pink color, pentagon, chocolate color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.